cap off right here. You can use a trim tool or a screwdriver. Pry that off. Take a T25 driver or socket, and you want to loosen up this bolt right here. You don't have to take it out completely, you just need to loosen it. Then you should be able to get this cap off. And just slide the cap off, just like that. Now grab the handle, just slide it out a little bit, and then slide it towards the outside of the door, and it comes right out. Now take the handle, if the gasket was still on the door, you want to take that off. You wipe that off. This gasket's okay. Slide this in position, just like that, and slide it towards the vehicle. You can see if that's working properly. Take this cover and just pulling the door panel out, door handle out a little bit, you can slide the cover on. You can have this painted to match the vehicle before you put it on, or just leave it flat black and go over to the screw and start to tighten that down. And just snug, not too tight. Take the cap and just slide it back in position. And you're all set.